Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am Arif, your financial freedom journey partner. In today's video, we're gonna look closely my $76,000 of stock portfolio. So I'm gonna show how I'm managing my risk in which specific sector I am investing more and more. And at the end of this video, I'll also share some tips that really help me to make good gains in 2023. So before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I am Arif. I started my investment journey 1.5 years ago. It was very confusing at the time because I'm not quite sure from where I should start, but I took the very first step and now I'm here. So this channel is all about investment related knowledge for stock market analysis. So if you want to be a partner of this journey, please like and subscribe to my channel so that we can all learn from each other and grow together. So without further delay, let's get started. I have logged into my investment account. So I'm in Canada. For that reason, I'm using Simple because it's easier to manage. So if you're a beginner, it's always better to use Simple from my point of view. So here you can see my current balance under my stock portfolio is $76,193. So there are a few subsections of my account. One is non-register account, one is TFS account, and one is crypto account. So non-register account is the account which is we can also call it a personal account. So and the TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. So in Canada, you always get a limit where you can invest your money. And the good part about TFSA is that you don't have to pay any taxes on your returns, the gains that you're going to make. Isn't it cool? So my suggestion to you is that if you are in Canada, so first make sure that you have maxed out your TFS, and then you can start investing in under your non-registered or personal account. So if you are in the US, you should have a different version of TFS in your country. So please do that first, max out that account, and then move to this non-registered or personal account. And I also hold few cryptocurrencies in here. You see the crypto is doing pretty good. So now it's up by 28.28%. All right, so that's the sections of my stock portfolio. So at the very first, I'm going to look into this TFS account because this is the first account that I opened under my Simple account. So right now, when I click in here, I do have two subsections of this TFS. One is for CAD. So under CAD, it's showing all the Canadian companies that I have invested in. And I also got one USD section here. All the US companies that I have invested in is all are listed in here. So under CAD, you can see my portfolio is up by 1%. It's and under USD, it's up by so it's showing just the last month of gain. So if I change it to all time, so under CAD now it's changed by 7%. So I have gained 7% under CAD, and under USD it's 32% return. Isn't it great? So I'm just gonna show you my top holdings in here. So under CAD, so let's do it this way. Under non-registered and TFS account, I'm gonna show you my top 3 holdings under CAD and under USD. Okay, so under CAD, my top holdings are this. So EIT is a Canway EIT income fund. Currently, I'm holding almost 225 shares. And the good part about EIT is it gives us 9.69% of yield. So it's a very good investment because every month you're getting this yield or dividend, and in this way you can grow your portfolio very easily. So that's the first one. The second stock that I'm holding under here is this VDY. VDY stands for Vanguard FTSE Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. It's not a single single stock, it's an ETF. ETF stands for like a basket where we do have different stocks all together. So we're investing into multiple stocks when you're investing under VDY. So currently I'm holding 128 shares of VDY, and the current price of this is my current worth of these stocks are 4,960, almost like 5k. And I'm also holding a few VFV shares. VFV is Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. Well, VFP, the good part about VFP is that it's tracking the S&P 500 US stocks. So even though you're investing under the Canadian stock market, but it's holding all the shares in US like Tesla, Apple, Google, all those big shares. All right, now let's look into this USD section under TFSA. So I'm a tech person, so I am well aware of tech industry. For that reason, I feel more confident to invest in tech stocks. So that's what I did. My top three holdings are all our tech companies. I can mention Apple. Currently, I'm holding a few Apple shares. I'm holding Amazon share. I love Amazon shares. Amazon also is the industry leader of cloud industry, Amazon Web Service. So for that reason, I really love this share, and the potential to grow this share is very high. So that's why I'm holding it for a long term. And I'm also holding a few shares of Google, and we all know that Google is one of the main leaders in tech industry. So obviously, it's a very good stock to hold under your stock portfolio. So I'm not talking in details about this stock. If you guys want me to do a detailed analysis of any particular stock, let me know, and I will do it for you so that we can all review together. So that's the TFSA section. Now let's move to this non-registered personal account. The same way, my non-registered account has two sections. One is CAD and one is USD. Under CAD, here is also my main holdings are VFV and VDY, and I have also invested in Shopify. Shopify is a very good stock. The good part is, like, if I click in here, you can see it has grown very well. It's grown almost like 30% on average. So I like that stock. After that, now let's explore the USD section. So under USD, it's almost the same thing, because as I mentioned, whenever I'm investing in USD stock, I am mostly focusing on the tech, and in this channel you will heard a lot about tech related stocks. So here you can see the big names like Apple, Amazon, Google. I have also invested some money on Uber, and it's doing quite well. Under Uber, you can see I got a return of 51% in just few months. Isn't it good? So that's my holdings under TFSA and my personal non-registered account. Now let's have a quick look into my crypto portfolio. And under crypto, I'm holding basically two main cryptos. I think you guys can guess it. One is Bitcoin, and the second one is Ethereum. So here you can see I'm holding Bitcoin, almost like $5,000 of Bitcoin I'm holding, and I'm holding few $1,000s of Ethereum. So Ethereum is here I am holding $2,557 of Ethereum. So the cool part is the Bitcoin. I have gained almost 45% just in few months in Bitcoin. So why I have invested in this? Because you must have to come up with a well-diversified portfolio. You can't just rely on one single sector. You can't rely on a single asset class. So that's what I try to do. So if one asset class is going down, you should have different asset class to back it up. So, and the way things are moving, crypto is the future. So that's why I just don't want to feel left behind. So that's why I am investing kind of like 10% of my total stock portfolio under this crypto platform, and it's working pretty well for me so far. All right, so that was a quick review of my current portfolio, and now let's talk about some strategies that I follow, that I learned throughout my journey, what works best for me. So the first suggestion from my side is that you should create a watch list. So what is a watch list? Well, the trade watch list that here you're gonna list down all the companies that you think like has the potential to grow in future, that you want to buy more of these companies. So what's the benefit of having this a watch list is that whenever you see there's a particular company share price is a little bit down, but you know in future it will be worth more, then you can just buy those company shares, and this way you are able to do a dollar cost average. That's a very good term. In future I'll create a video on dollar cost average. It's a very interesting strategy to grow your stock portfolio. So here you can see like I have created a trade watch list, and I have listed all the stocks that I feel like will grow in future, and most of the stocks you can see here all are pretty much IT stock. But here is a catch, that is it's very risky to just invest all your money on single stocks. For an example, if I invest in a tech stock, maybe let's call it ABC company now, and now it's doing good, and the previous performance also indicates it will do better in future, but it's a stock market, anything happen. So if you invested like just only one stock and you are expecting a good return, but all of a sudden something bad happens and the stock just collapse, so what can happen? All of your hard-earned money is gone. So it's not a good strategy to invest in one single stock. So you have to diversify your portfolio. You have to come up with multiple stocks that you believe in, and you have to buy accordingly. Don't rely on a single stock, and don't hear people's advice, because it's your money. You have to know how to manage it. If you hear from your friend that hey, this is not gonna do well, it's better to buy. Before buying those stocks, it's good to have some initial idea, but you have to do your own research. You need to do your own due diligence, because other than that you can't make the right choice. So that's a one suggestion. And the second suggestion that I'm going to talk about is that always try to put your money under ETF and S&P 500, because when you are investing in a ETF, that means you are investing your money to multiple stocks. So as I said earlier, ETF is like a basket where we do have multiple stocks, and when you invest under that ETF, that means you are well diversifying your money, so the risk is less. So for that reason, here let me show you one cool thing, that is VFV. VFV, the S&P 500. So here I have invested more than $10,000 under VFP, because this is a strong foundation for me. If my single stock don't do well, this ETF will help me to be in a good state, because I'm not investing all of money in a single stock, and I am in this way I'm managing my risk. So that is a VFV. And if I go back in here and show you one more thing, that is the VDY. And the VDY, I have invested also more than $10,000. So the good part about VDY is that I'm getting yield or dividend 5.38%. So it will grow, and I am diversifying my risk, because my majority of my money are invested under this ETF or S&P 500. So I will definitely buy single stocks. That's important to make good gains, but I will not risk my whole amount under a single share, because it's too risky. One more suggestion from my side is that whenever you are getting this dividend from your stocks, please do reinvest in your account. There should be a system. Whenever you get a dividend, it will be reinvested by itself. So please do the automation. So in this way, your money will grow in the back end, and you will see the magic of compound interest. So that's the what I'm following. That's my strategy, and I'll make a lot of videos in future related to like how I am optimizing my stock portfolio. Because once you have a baseline, once you have a stock portfolio in here, then the next thing is they have to manage it. You have to manage the risk, you have to diversify your portfolio, and you need to know like what moment you have to take what kind of action. Other than that, it's very hard to just create a stock portfolio and just follow the random advice. So you have to come up with your own strategy. So that's why we need a strong community in here. Congratulations guys for reaching this far of this video. Today we have covered a lot. So I have first shown my stock portfolio update, then I have shared some strategies that really worked well for me. So if you guys have any questions related to any of the topic that we have talked today, please let me know in this comment section and I'm gonna cover that for you. And if you want me to cover any specific stock analysis, please let me know and I'll do that for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that we can grow our community and help each other. That's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.